After a few years of overambitious electrification, GM is finally coming back to reality, and customers couldn't be happier, because this means that a full load of novelties is on the way, not just electric ones, but predominantly gas-only and hybrid units. The GM CEO announces 7 new models for 2026 and turns GM haters into believers. Let's check them out. Number 7. Chevrolet Corvette Zora. GM has been developing the ultimate expression of American performance engineering in secret, and the Corvette Zora is finally ready to shock the hypercar world. Named after the legendary Zora Arkus Duntov, who's considered the father of the Corvette, this machine is going to represent the absolute pinnacle of what GM's performance division can achieve. While the ZR1 already impresses with its twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 hybrid producing over 1,000 horsepower, the Zora is taking everything several steps further. Enhanced electric motors and specialized engine tuning are pushing the total output to an astronomical 1,200 horsepower. This isn't just impressive for a Corvette. This is enough raw power to catapult this American icon into the sub-2-second 0 to 60 club, a realm that's been exclusively reserved for multi-million-dollar European hypercars. The hybrid powertrain configuration is also enabling advanced torque vectoring capabilities that are completely redefining what's possible in terms of cornering speed and stability. Test mules spotted on various tracks have shown radical bodywork designed to generate massive downforce, making this the most track-focused Corvette in the nameplate's entire history. The expected price tag of around $200,000 might raise eyebrows for something wearing a Chevrolet badge, but when you consider that cars with similar performance typically cost well over $1 million, the Zora suddenly looks like the performance bargain of the century. Limited production numbers are virtually guaranteed, making this not just the fastest Corvette ever built, but potentially one of the most collectible as well. Number 6. Next generation Silverado Sierra with new V8 engine. This announcement changes everything for truck enthusiasts who thought the V8 engine was headed for extinction. While Ford and Ram are experimenting with smaller turbocharged engines, GM just proved they understand truck buyers better than anyone else with their massive $888 million investment at the Tonawanda plant in Buffalo, New York. This investment represents GM's unwavering commitment to V8 power, something that seemed impossible just a few years ago when industry experts were predicting the death of the 8-cylinder engine. GM's Gen 6 small block engines will make their debut with the next-generation Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra before spreading throughout their entire full-size lineup. The engineering behind this new generation is absolutely revolutionary. The added power won't come at the expense of efficiency. GM engineers are promising they can reduce fuel consumption and emissions through new combustion and thermal management innovations. Think about that for a moment. More power, better fuel economy, and cleaner emissions, all from a traditional V8 engine. While other manufacturers are shutting down V8 production lines, GM is expanding theirs, a clear signal of where they see the market heading. The current 5.3-liter V8 produces 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, while the larger 6.2-liter delivers 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet. The new 6th-generation engines are promising even more power while delivering significantly better fuel economy, something that seemed impossible with traditional V8 technology. Number 5. Chevrolet El Camino. Chevrolet is resurrecting one of the most iconic nameplates in automotive history, but they're doing it with a completely unexpected strategy that's brilliant for today's market. Instead of recreating the muscle car pickup hybrid of the past, Chevy is using this legendary nameplate to make a serious entrance into the compact pickup segment. While Ford's Maverick and Hyundai's Santa Cruz have been getting all the attention, the El Camino is positioning itself to undercut them both with an incredibly aggressive price point. What GM is planning is essentially a back-to-basics approach, an affordable, practical pickup designed for maximum utility and efficiency. The powertrain options will prioritize fuel economy, with base models likely featuring a 3-cylinder engine, quite the departure from the rumbling V8s of the El Camino's past. But what it lacks in displacement, it makes up for in practicality and affordability. Fuel economy is expected to exceed 30 miles per gallon highway, making it one of the most efficient non-hybrid trucks ever produced. The true game changer is going to be the variety of configurations. Unlike competitors that only offer crew cab layouts, the new El Camino will reportedly come in 3 distinct configurations: regular, extended, and double cab. This flexibility means contractors, small businesses, and budget-conscious buyers will have options that simply don't exist elsewhere in the segment. With a rumored starting price of around $18,000, the El Camino could completely disrupt the small truck market and bring countless new buyers into the GM family. The base model's no-frills approach might seem radical in today's feature-packed market, but it fills a massive gap that's been created because the industry has been focusing on more expensive models for far too long. Number 4. Cadillac Vistic. While performance and nostalgia are grabbing headlines, GM's smartest move might be the one that directly targets mainstream luxury buyers looking to go electric. The Cadillac Vistic is addressing the most important segment in today's market, a three-row electric SUV with the perfect balance of luxury, space, and range. Industry analysts are already predicting it could become Cadillac's best-selling model within 18 months of its release. The Vistic is going to do for electric vehicles what the XT6 did for Cadillac's conventional lineup, provide spacious, practical luxury transportation with distinctive American styling. But unlike its gas-powered counterpart, which has been criticized for underwhelming performance, the Vistic is going to deliver acceleration that will shock passengers and make rival German SUVs seem sluggish by comparison. With a dual-motor setup generating 615 horsepower, this family-friendly Cadillac will sprint from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, all while coddling occupants with premium materials and the latest technology. What's perhaps most surprising is the value proposition. Starting just under $79,000, the Vistic will offer performance and luxury that would cost well over $100,000 from European manufacturers, making it potentially the most important vehicle in GM's electric revolution. Number 3. Chevrolet Bel Air. GM is bringing back another legendary nameplate that nobody expected to see again. The Chevrolet Bel Air is making its return as a proper muscle sedan that's going to put up a serious fight against the new Dodge Charger, especially if it packs the large V8 engine that insiders are suggesting. The design is going to be everything that traditional sedan enthusiasts have been missing. This is going to be a proper four-door muscle car with aggressive styling, a large grille, and muscular proportions that scream performance. Under the hood, things are getting really interesting. Base models are expected to feature Cadillac's proven 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, but higher trims will get the full V8 treatment. We're talking about the possibility of both naturally aspirated and supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engines, with the most powerful version potentially matching the output of the Cadillac Escalade V. This represents GM's answer to the growing demand for traditional performance sedans in a market that's been dominated by SUVs and crossovers. The Bel Air is going to offer something that's been missing from GM's lineup, a proper muscle sedan that can compete with anything from Dodge while maintaining that classic American performance character. Number 2. Chevrolet Corvette SUV. The automotive world collectively gasped when GM confirmed what many thought impossible. Corvette is becoming a sub-brand, and its first expansion is going to be a high-performance SUV. Compared to turning the Mustang name into an electric crossover, a Corvette with enhanced ground clearance seems far less controversial. This won't just be a rebadged Equinox with some sporty trim. The styling is going to be directly influenced by the C8 Corvette's dramatic proportions and aerodynamic elements, creating an unmistakable family resemblance. The platform will likely be shared with Cadillac's premium rear-drive architecture, but expect Corvette-specific tuning and upgrades to deliver the driving dynamics enthusiasts expect from the name. Power options are going to be more than adequate, with base models potentially featuring Cadillac's 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, making around 400 horsepower. For those wanting more, higher trim levels could incorporate either the potent 4.4-liter turbo V8 or even the legendary naturally aspirated and supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engines. The most powerful version is going to deliver performance that would embarrass many dedicated sports cars, all while offering the practicality and versatility that today's buyers are demanding. Number 1. GMC Cyclone. The GMC Cyclone is making a triumphant return for 2026, and it's going to redefine performance trucks all over again. If you remember the original from the early 90s, you know this wasn't just any pickup. It was a street racing monster that could smoke sports cars costing 3 times as much. This reborn legend isn't following the current off-road craze that's dominating the truck market. Instead, GM is taking the Cyclone back to its performance roots with a street-focused approach that's going to leave traditional truck buyers absolutely stunned. The all-new Cyclone will feature an aggressive stance with minimal ground clearance, performance-tuned suspension, and sticky rubber that's built for cornering, not crawling over rocks. Power options are still being kept under wraps, but our sources indicate we might see either a heavily boosted version of GM's 2.7-liter turbo engine, pushing well beyond its current 310 horsepower, or potentially Cadillac's refined 3-liter twin-turbo V6 that could be tuned for truly outrageous performance. Some reports even suggest a possible V8 option that would put the Cyclone in a performance class entirely of its own. What's particularly great is that GM isn't the only company that gave up on quick electrification and returned to internal combustion. Check out this video about Ford's CEO releasing 7 new models for 2026, which you can now see on the screen. The Blue Oval Company is also bringing exciting novelties for the next year, including revivals of some of its most iconic nameplates.